Hello, kiddos. This is Rock of My Soul. Oops. Oh, rock of my soul in the bosom of Abraham. Rock of my soul in the bosom of Abraham. Rock of my soul in the bosom of Abraham. Oh, rock of my soul. When I went down to the valley to pray, oh, rock of my soul got happy and I stayed all day. Oh, rock of my soul. Oh, rock of my soul in the bosom of Abraham. Rock of my soul in the bosom of Abraham. Rock of my soul in the bosom of Abraham. Oh, rock of my soul. When I came home from the valley to pray, oh, rock of my soul, I knew that everything would be alright. Oh, rock of my soul. Oh, rock of my soul in the bosom of Abraham. Rock of my soul in the bosom of Abraham. Rock of my soul in the bosom of Abraham. Oh, rock of my soul. I felt so sad on the morning before. Oh, rock of my soul. I found the peace I was looking for. Oh, rock of my soul. Oh, rock of my soul in the bosom of Abraham. Rock of my soul in the bosom of Abraham. Rock of my soul in the bosom of Abraham. Oh, rock of my soul. The sun shines bright on the cloudiest day. Oh, rock of my soul. A prayer is all you need to light your way. Oh, rock of my soul. Oh, rock of my soul in the bosom of Abraham. Rock of my soul in the bosom of Abraham. Rock of my soul in the bosom of Abraham. Oh, rock of my soul. So at the end, remember, right here it shows you fourth ending, and we're going to go back to the top, sing through it till here where it says coda. Then we got to go down to the coda and sing, oh, rock of my soul. 4 beats, that's a whole note. Happy practicing!